Happy June! It's Jen at Polk County Public Libraries here with your video for this month's Teen Take and Make Kit, which is Watercolor Sea Creatures. So pick up your free kit at Columbus or Saluda Library and follow along with this video to learn how to use the watercolors. I do want to let you know I'm not going to give you a specific example to follow in this video, so you can use your own creativity, or you can search YouTube. There are lots of different videos for sea creatures or any other watercolor painting you might want to create. I also wanted to let you know about our teen programs this summer. So not next Monday, but Monday, June 13th, we start our summer learning program. So you can sign up and complete different learning goals throughout the summer to earn brag tags and entries into our awesome prize drawings. We also have a teen lock-in next Friday, June 10th from 7 to 11 p.m. So you can find the info about that on our website. You do need to register in advance, so you have to email me by June 6th to sign up, and you need a permission slip from your parents to bring to the lock-in. This is only for rising 6th or 12th graders, so if we're going into middle school or high school next year. And then throughout the summer, we will also have teen programs every other Wednesday at Columbus Library. And the lock-in is also at Columbus Library. So visit our website or Facebook page for all of that information, and follow along with this video to get started on your Watercolor Sea Creatures kit. Okay, so we are going to do some watercolor. So what comes in your kit? You have 4 pieces of paper, and this is special watercolor paper. You have 2 watercolor paints. I wish we could give you more, but as you probably know, watercolor is really expensive. So this month's kit is just kind of experimenting, seeing if you like watercolor, and if you do like it, you might want to invest in some more paints for yourself. And you also have a paintbrush. So other than those materials, you might want to get another piece of paper or a tablecloth or something to put behind your watercolor paper, because it might get a little bit messy if you are painting all the way to the sides. It's watercolor, so you will need water. And then if you have a palette or a little container or even just a paper plate for your paint, because we need to mix water with our paint to make it the watercolor. So to open your paint, you're going to screw off the top. Mine's already open because I did a little experimenting, but you can maybe see there's kind of a sharp point in the back of the lid. You'll just turn the top over and break the foil lid with the sharp point there. Alright, and these watercolors go a really long way, so even though you only have 2 colors, these tubes will get you lots of painting. So you just need a tiny dab of each color. And I put that this is a Watercolor Sea Creatures because, as you may know, our summer learning program theme this year is Oceans of Possibilities. So we were trying to do a lot of ocean themed crafts this month. But really, you can paint whatever you want. If you want to paint a sea creature, that is awesome. If not, it is up to you. So to add water to my paint, I'm just going to get my brush and I'm going to kind of just tap it in there. If you have some kind of dropper or syringe or anything, just get a few drops of water on your plate or in your palette to mix with the paint from the tube. So I am going to do a blue background for my ocean. So I'm going to mix that water with the paint, and you can see there how it spreads really evenly. You know, watercolor has a very distinct look when you're painting, and if you end up needing more, you can squeeze more out of your tube and add more water. So after I finish my ocean background, I have a gray color, and I can use that to make whatever sea creature I want. I can make a shark, or a manatee, or a dolphin, or an octopus, well, any sea creature, anything I want. I'm not going to show that part on the video because, as I discovered in my test, painting is not my specialty. But I encourage you to be creative, and if you do end up doing an ocean scene, you just do blue all across your paper and you're going to let that dry. If you don't have blue, of course, get creative with whatever colors ended up in your kit and make some beautiful paintings. If you want to share them with me, I would love that. You can email me at jdickinson@polklibrary.org with your paintings, and have fun with your watercolors.